muffler, but most importantly, I have my new starter, guys. Actually, it is a remanufactured. The only reason why I got a reman is because I got a really good deal on it, guys, and it has a lifetime warranty. So shout out to O'Reilly Auto Parts for that. We got a reman Mitsuba right here. Hopefully this thing runs good. Starter loaded, and my muffler, because I'm going to be putting that back on. I'm going to tell you what happened with the aftermarket muffler, the Axleback that I ordered. I'm not too happy about it, but I will be stating something either later in the video or in the comments down below. I really forgot how loud this freaking thing is, guys. Sounds so good with the muffler off, but I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm considering either a little straight pipe from the resonator back, or if I could get another good deal on a muffler, I might do that. I really want to straight pipe this thing though, whether I modify the old cap back or I just have a muffler shop put a straight pipe from the mid pipe back, pretty much protrude out past the bumper a little bit. Milk. So hopefully today, obviously I changed my chain tensioner. Sorry if it's loud in here, guys. I got the freaking all the windows open, sunroof open. It's nice out. What do you want me to say? But I changed the chain tensioner. I'm going to be doing the starter because I feel like my starter's giving out. It's just taking way too long to crank over. I already changed my battery, so it's not the battery. But I still have the rattle upon startup. A lot of you guys are asking me what's good with that. You heard from the startup in the beginning of the video. So hopefully today, the starter issue, I'm not sure if it's gonna fix that rattle, but I'm pretty confident, so we'll see. If not, I'm gonna pick my VTC gear up maybe this weekend or next week. So I'll have that just in case. So we're heading to the grandfather's shop right now. It's like it's a little after 3 o'clock. I got out of work a little late today. So hopefully I can bang this job out maybe 2-3 hours tops and everything goes smooth. So we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, just got to the shop now. I'm gonna back this beast in. So as I'm backing in, I noticed that there's already coolant dripping down pretty much. So I gotta figure out where that's coming from now. So I have a leak somewhere, I'm assuming, which is not good at all. Holy sh! This thing is busted, bro. All right, guys, this thing is absolutely saturated. I don't know. I think it's coming from underneath my radiator. I found the issue, and it's literally the smallest issue ever. So that black O-ring right there, bunch of cracks around that for the radiator drain plug right there. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and replace this little O-ring because clearly that thing is super cheap and it's already like dry rotted after like 1 winter. I'm just doing this the budget way, but you can go ahead and drain your coolant out. I'm gonna be reusing most of this stuff, so that's why I have a funnel leading into the Type 2 container here. Reason why I'm draining mine into the Honda Type 2 thing is because I plan on reusing some of my coolant, doing this the budget way. So if you guys just want to drain it into like an oil catch can or anything, you could do that. And remove your radiator cap. All right, guys, now we have full access to the starter in the back there, as you can see. So instead of taking a mani, I'm just gonna be able to access it hopefully through here. I gotta disconnect my knock sensor as well as another few sensors. So go ahead and get those bolts off. All right, guys, got the knock sensor out. Alright guys, don't mind the vacuum right now. One of the bolts is off. As you can see, I had to customize this thing, the cousin and I, because the previous owner torqued this thing down so freaking tight that it like screwed up the threads inside. Alright, now I'm just undoing the 12mm at the top for the ground or the solenoid there. It's right behind that rubber boot there. Just get a 12 on that. Just getting this thing up through the bottom here. All right guys, got the old crusty looking starter out right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the reman out and make sure all the connections are similar, as well as just hardware and mounting everything. Let's see. We're gonna clean these bad boys off right now. Start this up and simply just and as you guys can see, these things look 10 times better than they were. So all that rust and corrosive material is off of the threads, as well as the sliding portion. A little bit about what's going on. We're doing like a field test, right, Josh? You got some power to it, positive, negative. Oh yeah. Dude, well, that sounds real shabby, huh? That sounds. Shout out to Josh for doing the little test on it. Clearly know that thing shot, and it was just a matter of time before that thing was gonna shit out on me in like a parking lot or something. So smart that I replaced the starter.
Jump starting.
He would have saved me in the brand new FA5, bro. Yeah.
I feel fucking water gets up in here, dude.
And for the true test. Fucking fix, dude! Yeah! Alright guys, in the whip, and the rattle issue is officially gone. New starter's in, coolant is in the system, and I got the heat blasted on max right now, and I'm going to take it for a little drive. Gonna keep an eye on the temp gauge, make sure I can bleed out all the air in the system. But this thing sounds so much better, guys, now that that starter is replaced, and I have one more new item added to the car, so I won't have to worry about a starter for a while. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give me a like, drop your comments down below. Huge shout out to all of you guys who pretty much said it was a starter. I honestly was stuck between the starter and the tensioner, but I knew something was up with the starter because when I replaced my battery, it was kind of difficult cranking over for the car, and that thing's probably been in there for a long time. So I'm almost at 186K, so it doesn't surprise me. You guys are awesome. Shout out to everyone who recommended the tensioner and the starter. You guys know your stuff. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos soon, hopefully be getting more mods for this thing, but for now I'm just focusing on maintenance and stuff. So be sure to leave all your comments down below, guys, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, never stop wrenching.